The concept of mother sauces in classical French cuisine can be traced back to the 19th century French chef Auguste Escoffier. Escoffier is considered one of the most influential figures in the history of French cuisine, and he organized the sauces used in classical French cooking into 5 foundational sauces. These sauces served as the base for numerous derivative sauces and were considered essential in traditional French culinary education. The 5 mother sauces, as classified by Escoffier, are béchamel, a white sauce made from a roux, butter and flour, with milk added. Velouté, a light stock-based sauce thickened with a roux. Espagnole, a brown sauce made by thickening a brown stock, beef or veal, with a brown roux and adding tomatoes and mirepoix, a mixture of onions, carrots, and celery. Sauce tomate, a tomato-based sauce made with tomatoes, vegetables, and sometimes stock, often used as a base for other sauces. Hollandaise, an emulsified sauce made with egg yolks, clarified butter, and lemon juice or vinegar. These mother sauces formed the foundation for a wide variety of sauces used in French cuisine, and they provided a systematic way of understanding and creating different sauce variations. Chefs could build upon these mother sauces by adding ingredients or making modifications to create a diverse range of sauces to accompany various dishes. The concept of mother sauces continues to be influential in culinary education and classical French cooking traditions.